The first thing you need is some glitter. Chose some pink, some white and some blue. You can easily find this at a dollar store. What you need is some borax. It's pretty hard to find borax, but I found it at my local grocery store. The last thing you need is some clear glue. Get your clear glue and pour about half a cup of the clear glue. Here's just the whole bottle. Next, add half a cup of water and mix that all together. Get your glitter and pour them one at a time. First I poured my white glitter and I mixed it so that there is no clumps of glitter in the glue. Then I added my blue glitter. When you mix this, you want to mix it thoroughly so that there are no clumps in your slime. Put that aside and get a little cup, about half teaspoon of borax, and then add water. And slowly add the borax to your slime mixture and start mixing. I poured the borax several times until it became slimy and gooey. So when you think it is slimy and gooey, you want to make sure that it doesn't stick to your hands. If it sticks to your hands a little bit, just add more borax, start mixing, and once you've mixed it and you think it's the right consistency and it doesn't stick to your hand, you can just add a little bit more borax and then knead it together with your hands. At first when you knead it, it will be a little bit sticky. Once you've fully kneaded it, then it won't be sticky anymore and it will be just like slime, as you can see. Hope you like this video, and this is a great DIY to do with your kids.
I mean maybe a couple of hundred times. So let me redeem on myself tonight. 'Cause I just need